How to fix if your hotspot is grayed out on iPhone. So what we can simply do is we can go in our settings, and after going in our settings we will see an option of mobile data. We can simply click on the mobile data option, and there we will get to see an option of network selection. We can simply click on the network selection option, and after clicking on it we have to make sure that the network selection option is turned on into the automatic. Here mine is turned on into automatic. Make sure it is not turned off. So after that we will go back in our settings, and then what else we can do is we can now scroll all the way back, and then we can again click on mobile data here, and after clicking on it we will go all the way down, and there will get an option of reset status, and we can simply click on it and reset all our statistics. And after that we can go back, and what else we can do is we can switch off our phone and turn it back again. And after that you will be able to solve your problem. If not, what else we can do is we can now go back in our settings option, and after going in our settings we can now click on our general and click on transfer or reset iPhone. So we can simply click on reset all settings, or we can click on reset network settings, so that our phone will be resetted all, and it will be totally new, so that it will help to fix the hotspot if grayed out on iPhone very easily.